Here are 4 beginner-friendly Python projects, but they keep getting more difficult. Number 1, a command line-based weather app. Listen, not even your mother is going to be impressed with this project. It's going to have the ugliest interface and anybody can look up the weather on their phone. Who needs this? But this is going to teach you very simple things like making API requests, storing API keys in environment variables, handling JSON objects without overwhelming you too much. Number 2, an expense tracker, but using CSV files. Now this project is going to need a bit more planning and design. You're going to have to come up with data models that you're going to be using to manipulate the objects you're going to be storing in the CSV files. Object-oriented programming, anyone? And before you brush this off as an overly simple project, understand that most take-home assignments will be a little something like this. Number 3, a full-stack to-do list app. You're going to have to use a Python-based framework like Flask or Django. Django comes up with a lot of front-end templates you can use. And we're no longer storing data in plain files, we're going to have to store it in a SQL server. Now this is still a very vanilla project, but the beauty of this is it's going to teach you most of the fundamentals you need to work on much more complicated projects. I see so many people make a beeline straight to downloading a machine learning project off of GitHub to add to their portfolio. Like, bro, you're going to need to know how to do a layup before you can dunk. Speaking of dunking, at this point you should be ready to integrate a machine learning model in your projects.